Hello, my friends. This is Eric. Today's topic is about reducing the feed cost of broilers. I believe it is a very concerned issue of every broiler feed mill, farm, and integrated company because feed makes up a minimum of 65 to 17% of total cost of producing broiler meat. So reducing feed cost, even 1 cent, is concerned, especially during the COVID-19 situation. About the problem of cost, many broader feed enterprises start to reduce the cost and save costs from raw material procurement and feed production. This method can save costs, but there are still some hidden dangers for long-term operation. So my idea is to optimize the formula based on the existing cost-saving methods, so that the feed nutrition can meet the needs of animal maintenance and growth more accurately, reduce unnecessary waste, and reduce the cost of broiler formula. Today, I'd like to share with you how our product Bile Acids can reduce the feed cost of broilers by adjusting the feed formula. For the feed with high crude fat or metabolic energy, the content of fat can be reduced by adding bile acids, because bile acid can promote fat digestion and absorption, improve the utilization rate of fat, and then reduce the content of fat in feed. According to our experience and health data, for every 200 grams of bile acids added, the metabolic energy of 30 to 50 kcal per ton of feed can be reduced by reducing the addition of high-cost raw material such as oil and fat. By the way, 30 to 50 kcal equal to 5 to 8 kilogram fat. Many people think of bile acids as the emulsifier. Although bile acids have the function of emulsification, but it is far superior to emulsifier. The following video will tell you the answer.
In modern breeding industry, fat or oil content become more and more high in feed formulation. However, it's a complicated process for fat digestion with 3 steps: emulsification, digestion, and absorption. Different with emulsifiers, bile acids play an important role in the whole steps. Emulsification. Bile acids have a special structure by which combine with hydrophilic elements and lipophilic elements. One of them can fix in water and another one will insert into the fat. Under this way, fat can be emulsified into little droplets, which will help enlarge the contact areas with lipase. Digestion. The suitable pH value for lipase is 8 to 9. But the pH value in the intestine is 6 to 7. Lipase doesn't work under this condition. The lipase can be activated by bile acids. When they combine together, as bile acids can open its cap and release the catalyzed elements. In the meanwhile, the structure of lipase is also changed, which can let fat droplets contact with catalytes. Under this way, fat would be hydrolyzed into fatty acids, glycerinum and monoglyceride. Absorption. Short-chain fatty acid would be absorbed directly, while long-chain fatty acid can only be absorbed after combining into chloramicron with bile acids and a phospholipid. As one carrier, bile acids can help fatty acids get through the identification system of intestine epithelial cell and then passing to bloodstream in order to finish the absorption process. At the same time, bile acids will part from the compound and back into the liver through portal vein, then enter into intestine with the new secret ones to finish its enterohepatic circulation. Under this circulation, recyclable bile acids will promote bile secretion. A large amount of bile can wash out endotoxin and mycotoxin produced by using antibiotics and non-conventional feedstuffs. What's more, adding bile acids can also effectively release the heavy burden of liver, thus play an important role in protecting the health of liver and gallbladder.
And for the feed with local fat, adding bile acid can reduce 0.3 to 0.5% of protein and 50% of mycotoxin binding at the same time. Because bile acid can improve the digestion and absorption rate of fat, so it can reduce the decomposition of protein as energy and improve the utilization rate, absorption rate, and deposition rate of feed protein. According to our experience and data, adding 200 of bile acid can reduce 0.3 to 0.5% protein per ton of feed by adding raw materials such as soybean meal or meat and bone meal. Bile acids bind to mycotoxins in body and stimulate the liver to secrete more thin bile. And this large amount of thin bile can remove the mycotoxins out of the body. In addition, the active components of bile acid can repair the damaged liver cells, ensure the health of liver, and the normal detoxification function. And for some broiler farms, they reduce the feed costs by using unconventional ingredients to their feed. Based on the two functions of bile acids to protect the liver health and reduce the feed costs, some conventional raw materials can be replaced by unconventional raw materials by adding bile acids. For example, sunflower seed meal and peanut meal can be used to replace the meat and bone meal and soybean meal in original formula, so as to make full use of the local cheap protein raw materials, reasonably utilize the complementarity between the protein raw materials and reduce the feed cost. For the above 3 feed cost reduction plans, we can guarantee you to reduce the cost by at least $2 per ton of feed. At the same time of reducing the feed cost, using bile acids can stabilize the feed quality and make the feed formula more optimized to achieve better feed and breeding effect. Some of our customers have given their feedback that the customized formula adjustments can save up to $5 per ton of feed. If you want to learn more about our trials data and other information, please leave your message or connect me. And don't forget to follow our channel. Thank you.
As the most professional manufacturer in China, Lachance Bile Acids has been approved as one new type feed additives, and it has earned good reputation from the clients in domestic and overseas. Bile acids, one perfect solution for fatty acid nutrition.